Hey everyone, Black Friday is finally here, and this year the discounts are honestly bigger than ever. If you have been planning to start a website, build an online store, launch a blog, or move your business online, then this is the perfect time because InMotion Hosting is offering a huge Black Friday deals. And today I am going to break down the offer, the features, and why this deal can save you a lot of money for your websites or business. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to choose the best tool without any confusion. And like always, no need for any coupon code, just use the link in the description and get the Black Friday discount. So if that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from the description for the discounted Black Friday offer link before the deal ends. Alright, now let's talk about the InMotion hosting. If you don't know, InMotion is one of the most trusted hosting companies in the world. They have been in the industry for many years and they are known for their strong performance, fast website speed, and very reliable customer support. And during Black Friday, they offer one of their biggest discount of the entire year, which means you can get the premium hosting for a very low price. This year's InMotion Black Friday deal includes huge savings on a shared hosting, WordPress hosting, and even the VPS hosting, and even the dedicated servers. So it doesn't matter if you are a beginner starting your first website or someone who is running a growing business. You will find a good plan for your needs. Normally their plans cost a lot more, but during Black Friday, the long-term plan is extremely affordable and it saves you up to 80%. Now let's talk about some reliability of the InMotion. InMotion offers a strong uptime, which means your website stays online all the time. This is important if you run a business, an online store, or anything where visitors need the access for the 24/7. You don't want a hosting provider that goes down every few hours. So InMotion also give you the free SSL certificate, which protect your website and make it safe for your visitors. If you are building an online store or collecting any customer information, SSL is very important. And normally you have to pay extra for the SSL, but InMotion includes it for free, which is a nice bonus. Now let's talk about why Black Friday is the best time to get hosting. Hosting is something you only buy once for a year or 2 years. So getting the deal during Black Friday saves you money for the entire period. The price will go back to the normal soon. So if you want to grab the hosting at the lowest price, this is the best moment. So who should get the InMotion hosting? Now it is best for the anyone who is starting a blog, anyone who is building a WordPress site, or anyone who is starting a small business, e-commerce store, or maybe freelancers, or maybe an agency owner, or the literally anyone who needs a fast and reliable website. So if you want the good performance, strong support, and a big discount, then the InMotion Black Friday deal is great choice for you. If you want to check the offer, the link is in the description, so no coupon needed. You just click the link in the description and the discount will be applied automatically. So take a look at the plans and choose the one that fits your project before the sale ends. Now thank you so much for watching this video and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.